gives you toothbrush rolls to remove large, small and stuck-on particles. Some vacuums push large items around, but Duo Clean pulls in large particles easily. And small particles? No problem for Duo Clean, even along edges and ground lines. And that stuck-on dust? Duo Clean gives you direct floor engagement. Plus, it's also a powerful handheld to clean all over your home. All with no loss of suction and no loss of power. And on sale now for just $229.99. Shop brilliant.
Ah, credit score. My latest credit report's just in. Hi, Chaz. Hey, Kev. B.
Hello, bonjour.
Just checking my free credit score report on clearscore.com.
Clearscore?
Yeah, you get credit card and loan recommendations all based on your credit score.
What doing?
I'm showing Kev clearscore.com, Moose.
Okay, bros, wiki. Nothing, only bro. Get in, let's go. I look like a lamb.
Clearscore.com. Take control of your credit score and report for free.
The Brownlee brothers are so competitive. Donnie Brownlee got these Aldi Super 6 offers on Big Daddy rump steak, Louisiana barbecue chicken sizzlers, and marinated prawns. But Alistair didn't. So now he's getting his own back by letting Johnny's tyres down. With gold, with Aldi's amazing Super 6.